Hey everyone, it's that time of year again, and today I'm making my extra moist and delicious Christmas cake. It's also called rum cakes or black cakes. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so yet. The detailed recipe is in the description box. Let's get right into it. So I'm starting with my softened room temperature butter. I'm just going to whip this in my stand mixer for a few minutes just to loosen up the butter. Now I'm going in with my dark brown sugar and I'm whipping this until it's light and creamy. I'm scraping the sides of the bowl as I go along to ensure that the ingredients are combined properly. Next, I'm going in with my room temperature eggs, adding them one at a time and whipping well between each one. While that's going on, I'm just going to quickly prepare the dry ingredients. This can also be done beforehand. So in a large bowl, I'm adding my all-purpose flour. I'm also going to add some dried mixed spice, ground nutmeg or nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder, baking powder, and some salt. I'm giving this a good mix to incorporate all the spices. To combine everything, I'm using an even larger bowl. So now I'm just going to pour in my butter, sugar and egg mixture. So a few weeks ago I soaked my dried fruits. This can be soaked even a year prior. In my bowl I have some dried raisins, prunes, lemon peels, mixed peels, and some cherries. I cut everything smaller and added a bottle of white rum, a bottle of red label wine, and a bottle of fruit wine. You can leave it to soak as is or blend then soak. So here I'm blending my soaked fruits with just white rum and wine. Then I'm storing the mixture in some large containers. Okay, so back to the present, and I'm adding in my soaked fruits. Notice how much darker it has gotten in color. I'm making a large batch of cake, so this is going to take some time to mix out properly. I have already added dried spices to the dry ingredients. So now it's time to add in some liquid spices, and I'm going in with a good amount of vanilla extract. Here I'm adding almond extract, some lemon juice, rose water, and I'm mixing each time I add an ingredient. Although the batter is already looking brown from the fruits and wine, I'm adding a bit of browning for an even darker color. Now I have to mix thoroughly. I love my cakes rich, so I'm adding some extra red label wine, fruit wine, and some more white rum, and mix again. And it's finally time to add in the dry ingredients. So I'm sifting that in and mix properly. Then I pour in the containers and bake. As soon as the cakes are out the oven, I add a mixture of red label wine, fruit wine, and white rum on top of the cakes while they are still hot. I add this mixture again the next morning and the other day as needed. These cakes can be stored for years once you keep topping them up with rum. The cakes are moist and rich with flavor, and the texture is amazing. You can go ahead and make your own Christmas cakes now. The detailed recipe is in the description. Thanks for watching.